We are looking at how to pronounce this Japanese word in Japanese for reference as well as in English to find out that they are pronounced pretty differently. This word, of course, designates a type of interactive entertainment developed in Japan originally, in which people sing along to recorded music using a microphone to show off all of their singing talent. But how do you go about pronouncing it? In Japanese, this word is normally pronounced as karaoke. Karaoke. However, in English, the pronunciation barely has anything to do with the Japanese one. It is normally pronounced as karaoke. Karaoke, from Japanese karaoke. Here are more videos on how to pronounce useful words from Japan that are also used in English, and find out how to pronounce them. I'll see you there to learn more.